In this video, we're covering core trading terminology like trends, support, resistance, tops and bottoms. This is educational only, no predictions, no trading advice, just helping you understand the language so charts stop feeling intimidating. Tops and bottoms. Let's start with the basics. A top is an area where upward momentum begins to weaken. Buyers are still present, but sellers start to gain control. As selling pressure increases, price struggles to move higher and may begin to fall. A bottom is the opposite. It's an area where downward momentum fades. Sellers are still active, but buyers begin stepping in. As buying pressure increases, price stops falling and may start to rise. Here's the most important point. Tops and bottoms are easiest to identify after they form. In real time, they are zones, not exact prices. That's why consistently calling tops and bottoms is extremely difficult. Trends. Markets don't usually move randomly. Most of the time, they move in trends. An uptrend is defined by higher highs, higher lows. Each push upwards reaches a new high, and each pullback holds above the previous low. A downtrend is the opposite. Lower highs, lower lows. Each rally fails earlier, and each sell-off pushes lower than before. If price is not forming either pattern consistently, the market is typically ranging, moving sideways without a clear direction. Trends don't predict what will happen next. They describe what the market has been doing so far. Trend lines. Trend lines are visual tools used to highlight a trend. An uptrend line connects two or more rising bottoms, slopes upwards, shows where buyers have consistently stepped in. A downtrend line connects two or more falling tops, slopes downward, shows where sellers have consistently appeared. The key rule with trend lines is simple. The more times price respects the trend line, the more meaningful it becomes. They help you see the market structure more clearly. Support and resistance. Support and resistance are horizontal areas, not diagonal lines. Support is an area where price has previously stopped falling and buying interest has appeared before. Resistance is an area where price has previously stopped rising, selling interest has appeared before. These levels matter because traders remember them, large participants react to them. Price often slows, pauses, bounces or breaks there. Just like trend lines, more reactions usually make a level more significant. Putting it all together. Trends show direction, trend lines highlight that direction, support and resistance mark key decision areas. Good chart reading isn't about predicting the future, it's about recognizing structure, context and probabilities. Once you understand these basics, most charts become far less intimidating and much easier to interpret. If this helped clarify how charts work, consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.